Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is June the 26th, and I am using my master scalper trading system. It's a really good system for you traders who just like to scalp the markets. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I at least try to get in front of the computer, catch the ongoing market movement for the London session going into the New York session. It's a great time to be trading as there's going to be a lot of price action. Now, after 6 o'clock, I'm checking out all the different instruments, and of course I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. And once I make a decision if I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. And of course, I teach exactly how to trade this way within the training videos. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. It's going on 9:30 a.m. New York time, and still a lot of movement within the market. Probably for about the next 5 or 6 hours. Of course, depending on what you are trading. The futures, the indexes, they're all moving for many more hours. This daily trade plan analyzes from the monthly charts right down to the 30 minutes. After it does a bunch of calculations, within the comments here it'll say look for bearish trades, bullish trades, and sometimes it's just a little bit flat. And you can wait for either blue or red if that's the pair you really want to trade for the day. As my mentor told me many years ago, the reason why a lot of traders are failing is that they don't even have a daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, let's check out these trades I've taken all the trades around 7:30 to 7:39, and I closed them all out. Most of them anyhow around 8:20. One of them was at 11 minutes after 9 this morning. Anyhow, pound Swiss, let's see where I got in on this trade. Wanted to be selling it between the daily trade plan and the super signal. Easy decision to make. I was 95% sure it was going to go down. If I stayed in a lot of these trades longer, I could have made a lot more. But I was very happy with the totals, and I'm usually aiming for minimum at least 200 or more pips and or ticks every day I'm trading. Looks like I locked in 10 pips, and those 10 pips paid out $111. Moving on to the next trade, the Euro Yen. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. This one I wanted to be buying. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. And after a bit of a pullback, I knew it was time to get in. Let's just go and grab a few pips. Exactly what I did. Looks like I got 18, and 18 pips paid out $118. And of course, there's a great tool that I recommend you getting your hands on it. It'll help your trading as it helped my trading many years ago and even still today. It's called the FibMaster tool. You just click on this tab right here. You would go from swing low to swing high, waiting for the pullback. If it hits the entries, it'll usually hit at least target 2, 3, 4, 5, and on this particular day it hit target number 6. It actually goes all the way up to 10, and many days it will hit it. So this helps you with entries, and it helps you with targets. Now of course, if you have any questions regarding this FibMaster tool, it's a complete course and comes with 30 videos, around 3 gigabytes of training. Like I said, any questions, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, moving on to the futures, the indexes, they pay a lot more. They move a lot more. So on this crude oil, this one pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, easy to see this should be 15. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Both arrows, daily trade plan, super signal. I knew even the scalper was red. So here we go. In. If I was in right now, I'd be up around, well, down at the bottom here is 60. But I was happy with those 15. There it is right there, 15 ticks, paying out $150. And I forgot to mention, with regards to the arrows here, super signal, you'll get an audio sound and this pop-up box suggesting either to buy and or sell. There you go, lots of signals you'll get. And if you're just into scalping, well, you can scalp all day long if you so desire. Now this master scalper here, it'll also, if you have the alert turned on, you'll get an audio sound and this pop-up box suggesting, like when it goes from blue to red to sell and red to blue to buy. So all you got to do is make sure the alerts are turned on. Moving on to the next trade I did, NASDAQ. Here we go. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Daily trade plan and the super signal. If I would have stayed in the trade, I'm only guessing about 4 times more. So that should have put it over $1,000. But I was happy. Took the money divided by 20. It says, calculator says it's 14. What could I have? That's 88. You remove the last 2 digits. So 14, there it is right there. 14 ticks, paying out $280. And by the way, right below this video, you can read the 5 things that you will need to succeed at trading. And I've been getting traders asking me what is the difference between systems, and I explain in the video below this video what the difference is between my systems. Each new system I put out is just a little bit better than the one before. That's why I recommend you keep getting your hands on the latest and the newest systems I come out with, because it's just a little bit better than the one before. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Here we go. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Super signal arrow right here. Daily trade plan. I got in. I knew it was going to go. And away it went. Producing, I took the money divided by 5. Calculator says it's approximately 67. So let's go and look for that 67. Actually, that's exactly what it says, 67.4. And that paid out $337. Moving on to the next trade, the Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick. So let's drag and drop this up, see where it got in at. Same thing, daily trade plan, super signal. Did qualify for a great way to trade, as I teach according to the rules in the training videos. This one pays $10 for each tick, so easy to see. This should be 42. Let's go and look for that 42. There it is right there, 42 ticks, paying out $420. Moving on to the last trade, which is the DAX 30. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling it. Everything was looking good, qualified for a great way to trade. Super signal here, daily trade plan. So I'm going to drop it down to the 5 minutes to get a better reading. So everything was looking perfect, like I mentioned. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here. Went a fair amount more. I would have to use a calculator to see how much more, but took the money divided by 3.75. That's what it pays, $3.75. calculator says it's approximately 530. Let's see down at the bottom. That's 1100 and change. So what did I say? 530. Well, even at that, even on the 5 minutes, I can't get it right on, but it is 530, paying out $1,987. So another great day of trading. Added up all the pips and the ticks. I knew that was going to be well over 200 just because of this DAX 30. So grand total of 696 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $3,405. So if you have any questions, quite simple. All you got to do is get in contact with me, and to do that, all you have to do is look right below this video. You'll see a banner, the word more. Just click on that. Another window will pop up, and then you'll see a lot of information, including my contact information. Now you can pick up the phone, call me directly, and if you live a little bit too far, well, just send me an email. Now I really do prefer Skype. I made a link. The link is actually working now. All you got to do is click on it. We'll have Skype connection, and through Skype I'll be able to answer your questions. Also in the description you'll find 4 different packages. I recommend you getting as much education as possible, and to help you with that, I have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. So anyhow, you know what to do if you have questions, and it's definitely time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.